Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a prep with me video and I'm just gonna get right into it. When it comes to meal prepping, for me, I like to keep it simple because I find if you complicate things, you're just not going to commit yourself to doing this every week. So I decided to just get two different types of chicken, one seasoned and then one is just the regular chicken thighs. And then I got like the salad mix. It has like a mix of broccoli, kale, not broccoli, it has Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage. And then for my other vegetables, I just have some green beans and some broccoli. And then I'm gonna have some cheese. I'm only showing 3 different types because there's 2 packages that I really need to use up, so I just have those out there. And then I have my meal prepping containers, which I got from Amazon. If I can find them, I will link them in the comment section or the description box below. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay down this wax paper. This just makes cleanup so much easier. And I'm going to open this chicken and place it in the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, get one ASAP. Makes cooking so much easier, quicker, and it's a game changer. So I'm just going to throw this chicken in the air fryer and then move on to the next item. Okay, so almost all air fryers have different settings, so I'm just putting it on the chicken setting, and I think it automatically cooks it for 25 minutes, and I'm just going to check on it periodically. This plastic bag is what I use to put like any of the raw meat packages in, because I like to discard that as soon as possible, because if it sits in your trash can, you're going to regret it the next day. So the first meal I'm going to put together is just a salad, which is what I'm going to use this mix for. So I'm going to eyeball maybe like a cup or a cup and a half's worth of salad in each container. Because I did a meal plan for 3 months, it just gave me the skills to be able to do this without necessarily having to measure anything. So I know exactly what to put in each container. And then I'm going to just go ahead and top it off with some cheese. And then when the chicken is done, that is what will go into the next section of those containers. Okay, so if you want to make meal prepping go by fast, get the kind of vegetables you can steam in the microwave. I got this from Trader Joe's, as you can see. And this one in particular, you just got to cut off the corner and then cook it in the microwave for like 4.5 to 5 minutes. Just follow the directions on the back of the package. And then once it's done, I put it in a bowl, add some butter and some seasoning, and put them in the containers. Now I thought this one bag would be enough for 4 containers, because this particular meal is just going to be some vegetable and some chicken. I told y'all I just keep it simple, but because it was still like warm, by the time I mixed everything together, the florets were not florets anymore, so it just looks like broccoli mash or something. So what I ended up having to do was just put the string beans in there and use the string beans for the 2 additional containers. Okay, so here I'm just checking the chicken to make sure it's cooking thoroughly, but I think I ended up letting it cook a little more than 25 minutes, and that's just because I decided to use this new liner just to test it out. Anyhow, the next thing, or I think the next clip, the chicken's actually done. So you're gonna see me cut the chicken into, you know, different portions. I can't even tell you off the top of my head what it measures out to be, but I kind of keep them simple for each container just so each meal is consistent, because the thing about meal prepping is to be consistent. Okay, so after adding the chicken, this one particular meal is done. This is actually going to be my dinner. So all I will have to do is heat up the chicken and then cut it up, put it on the salad and add my dressing, and then I'm good to go. Now I'm going to cook these chicken thighs. So what I'm going to do is actually lay each one out, season them on both sides as even as possible, and then place them in the air fryer to cook for the 25 minutes like I did the seasoned chicken. Just in case anyone is curious about what particular seasonings I'm using, I'm just using like this poultry seasoning by Adobo, because I feel like everyone has that in their household, some type of adobo seasoning and some pepper. That's literally all I'm using to season it. See, I keep my seasoning simple just like I keep my meals simple. Alright, so after this chicken cooks, in the next clip, I'm just going to show you guys what my 2 meals look like. And as you can see, I now have my lunch and dinner prepared. And that's literally it. I don't prep breakfast just because of where I work. So it's just easier to get my breakfast at work. But that is all, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumb it up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.